Hello, botanical enthusiasts. Today we're stepping into the enchanting world of Camellia Sasanqua Setsugekka, a stunning evergreen shrub that graces gardens with its elegant blooms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of garden design. Camellia Sasanqua Setsugekka is a captivating evergreen shrub known for its exquisite flowers and versatile nature. Native to Japan, this cultivar of the Sasanqua camellia is celebrated for its large, pure white blossoms with golden stamens. An interesting fact about Setsugekka is its name, which translates to snow, moon, and flowers in Japanese, reflecting the beauty and elegance of its blooms. With a graceful growth habit, glossy green foliage, and a delightful fragrance, it adds a touch of sophistication to gardens. While Camellia Sasanqua varieties are primarily grown for ornamental purposes, traditional uses of camellia species include extracting oil from the seeds for various cosmetic and skincare applications. The nutrient values of Setsugekka are not typically emphasized as it is not grown for consumption. In terms of companion planting, this camellia cultivar can be strategically placed to provide shade and enhance the aesthetics of a garden. Its evergreen nature ensures year-round interest, making it a popular choice for landscaping in temperate climates. This shrub thrives in well-drained, acidic soil with partial shade. It is relatively low maintenance, requiring regular watering and protection from harsh afternoon sunlight. Maintaining a consistent moisture level and providing shelter from strong winds are crucial for its well-being. Its Setsugekka adapts well to borders, hedges, and containers, bringing a touch of elegance to your outdoor oasis. Thank you for joining us on this botanical journey. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more delightful content. Farewell and happy gardening.